Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, beta. Good morning, student.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay. So, let's start our chapter, right? Where we had stopped
Yes,
yesterday.
हमने stop
Which page number?
पेज नंबर हमने 104 पे स्टॉप नहीं सॉरी 105 पे.
Acha. All of you write down your name and roll number in your chat box. Only two girls written. Saiba and this Sundrani. Please write your name. Yes, Sundrani Kaunam. Okay. How was the paper? Max paper? Easy or hard?
Easy.
Easy. Ilham, Saiba,
Yes, teacher.
how was the paper, beta?
Easy.
Easy. Okay, very good. Ilham, how was the paper? Easy. Okay, good. So, yesterday where we had stopped?
Page number 105.
105. And what we had learned yesterday?
In extra class,
Yes. Yesterday regular
one
class is not there, no, max regular class is not there, beta.
yes, हमने 104 पेज रिवाइज किया था.
Yes. Yesterday we had done revision, right? Now
Yes,
go to the okay. So my screen is visible to you?
yes, teacher visible.
Okay. So till here we had completed, right?
Yes,
Now we will proceed to this new topic, left, right and Same to same. Now what is mean by left and right? You know na, left means what? Left side, right means
Yes,
right
left
side,
side.
right? Same to same. Now they are telling us कि same to same. So let's see, here one example is given. You can see here one girl is standing and one boy is standing. Both are talking, right? So we see that to get special number, we sometime need more step. यानी if we want, now what is mean by special number? अब स्पेशल नंबर मतलब क्या होता है? नाउ यू कैन सी द गर्ल इज स्पीकिंग. कैन यू सी समथिंग स्पेशल अबाउट 121? द गर्ल इज आस्किंग टू बॉय, कैन यू सी समथिंग स्पेशल नंबर, स्पेशल अबाउट 121? वो गर्ल पूछ रही क्या तुमने कुछ स्पेशल देखा है 121 में? देन अप बॉय, व्हाट? इट जस्ट अ नंबर. बॉय इज रिप्लाइंग, इट जस्ट अ नंबर. हम भी देखेंगे तो हम भी यही कहेंगे ना, हाँ यस इट जस्ट अ नंबर. यस.
Yes.
अब द गर्ल इज आस्किंग, सी it is the same forward as well as backward. Now you can see what she tell, it's a same forward as backward. Now if we will read from forward, forward means you know na,
Yes.
backward means back side and forward means in front of side, right? So
Yes.
forward 121, right? 121. Now we will read from back side 121. Is it same? Both are same,
Yes.
forward and backward. Okay. Now the boy is replying, oh yes, it is 121 from right side to left side also. Yeah. If we will read from right side, then also it be same. If we will read from left side, then also it will be same.
Same.
Is it clear, everyone? So
Yes,
whenever the
teacher.
numbers which are same to same from left side to right side, that is a special number. Okay. Now we will see some example is given. You can come to the page number 106. Okay. Here the see. Here the one number has given. Take a number, say 43. Now which number we have to take? 43. Now what they tell? Now turn it back to front. Means now we have to change the position. You can see what they had done. First they had written 43. They had changed the position. 3 they taken forward and 4 they take backward, right?
Yes.
Now what they had done, they had add them, add कर दिया. You can do addition. 3 plus 4 7, 4 plus 3 7. Yes.
Yes.
Now see, then add them together. आप लोग बोल रहे add करना. अब यहाँ पर एक bird is something telling. For like hint, we can say hint. You have reversed the number by writing it back to front. Now here what we have to do? We have to do reverse. Reverse means what, beta?
Reverse means backward.
Huh? Reverse means? Reverse means we have to change the position of numbers. If the number is front, then we have to give position to backward. If the backward is there, then we have to give forward, right? You can
Yes.
see here 43 is written, right? The first 4 is there, then 3 is there. Now what they had done in step number 2, they had reversed the number, means change the position of number. Okay, they had taken
Yes.
3 forward and 4 backward. Is it clear to everyone? And they add it, right?
teacher.
Now up 77 ko you can read from left side. 77 you can read from right side. 77, right?
Yes.
It's a special number. So they had written here 77 is a one such special number. There are many such numbers. Now what they are telling, there are so many numbers are there, such special number. Okay? Is it
Yes.
clear to everyone beta special number किसे कहते हैं?
Yes.
Which are the same to same from right side to left side. If we can read from left side, then also it will be same. If we can read from right side, then also it will be same. Okay.
Same. Yes.
Now Take another number. Now they had taken one another number. You can see 48. And then now turn it back to front. You can see. See, here is written. Now turn into back to front. What they had tell? Back to front. Yani first what we have to do? We will take 8 here and we will take 4 here. So it's completed. Back to forward. Okay.
Yes.
Then we will add कर देंगे हम इसको. तो when we will be add, we will get 132. Now is it a special number beta?
No.
Why no? Why no?
Because हम रीड करेंगे तो 2 3 बनाएगा.
And we can read from forward, then in front of then 1 3 2, but in backward then 3 2 1. So it's not a same to same, right?
Yes.
Now what they are telling? Okay, carry with number means we have to reverse the number. हमें क्या करना है? वापस से numbers की position again जो हम पहले कर रहे थे वो करना है जब तक हमें special number ना मिल जाए. See, again turn back to the front. Now what they tell? Again turn to the back to the forward. Now what happened? We had taken 2 forward, then 3 and then 1. Now they add. So we will get 363. Is it a special number beta?
Yes.
Why? How?
क्योंकि हम पहले से रीड करेंगे तो भी 3 आएगा और पीछे से रीड करेंगे तो भी वही आएगा.
Yes, very good. Okay. So, 363 is our special number. Now here you can see, पहले जब हमने पहला किया तो we had done only one time. In second, in here also we had done one time only. But here we had done 2 times. How many times? 2 times.
2 times.
So in here there are many sums are there. We have to do 4 times, 5 times. Then we will get special number. Okay.
Okay.
See here 28. Now let's try and change this number into the special number. Now they are telling okay, here the numbers is given that you have to change in a special number. So what we will do, first of all here 28 is there. Okay. So first of all I'll write
Yes.
28. Okay. Now what I will do beta? You tell me. I don't know.
फिर पोजीशन चेंज.
Yes. So what from which I can change
82.
82. Now what I have to do?
इसको प्लस करना है. प्लस.
Yes, plus. Then what will be answer?
2. 8 plus 2 10. 1 carry.
1 carry. Okay, and then
11.
11. Now is it a special number?
No.
No. Then what we have to do? We have to again what we have to do? Again we have to
Change
change
the
position. Okay. So here I can put 0. Yes or no?
Yes.
Here 1. Here 1.
One.
Now add this. 0 plus 1. 1.
One.
Right? 1 plus 1. 2.
2.
0 plus 1. 1. Now is it a
One.
special number beta?
Yes.
How? How?
रीड करेंगे तो वो ही आएगा 1 to
From
1.
where side? From left side then it will be same, and from right side then it will be
Same.
2 things you have to remember, left side and right side. Okay.
Okay.
If the both side are same then it will be special number. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
Okay,
teacher.
now this much you had completed. Now this 132 is given. Now you will be do and tell me the answer. Okay.
Okay.
Is this a special number or not? You have to do in your homework book and then show me. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, teacher.
So the question is 132.
Yes.
Completed?
Yes.
Okay. Is it a special number?
Yes.
What is the answer?
363 is a special number.
Okay, then show me how you solve. On your camera and show me.
Okay. See, teacher.
Achha, it's not clear, but then also yes. Okay. So एक ही बार में आ गया ना? Yes. Okay. Okay. Very good. चलो. Anyone has done? Very good, Alina. Others? Saiba, Ilham, Zainab, Sophia,
1 minute.
Sakina. It's a
Teacher.
very easy beta.
Good morning, teacher.
Yes, beta. Good morning. Yes.
Can I
360.
open my camera?
Yes. Open and show me. What is the answer, beta? Ilham? Yes, very good, beta. Very good. Okay. Ilham, Panjwani Sakina, Merchant Zainab, beta. What? Okay, this one completed, all of you?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Only Saiba and Alina. Sakina, Ilham, Zainab, beta. Show me your answer, beta.
टीचर मुझे समझ में नहीं आया.
Okay, I will explain you
टीचर
again.
मुझे समझ में नहीं आया.
Okay.
टीचर मुझे भी समझ में नहीं आया.
Yes. Here the 132 is written, right? Now we
Yes.
have to change the position of numbers. What we have to do? We have to change the position of number. Means the numbers we have to take backward. We have to here we have to take forward. आगे ले लेना है तो 2 को आगे लेंगे, then 3 again and then 1. Now add करो इस number को, reverse करना है यहाँ पर. Addition करो, इसका क्या आता है बेटा? What it will become? चलो इल्हाम कॉनन ऐड करो बेटा और आंसर बताओ मुझे.
336. 363. 363.
First of all, 2 plus 1, what will become from here?
3.
3. Okay. And then 3 plus 3?
6.
6.
6,
And 2 plus 1?
3.
3.
3. Now समझ आया? ये जो अगर आप यहाँ से रीड करते हो देन ऑल्सो इट विल बी सेम 363. ओके, अगर आप यहाँ से भी रीड करते हो, अगर आप पीछे से भी रीड करते हो तो 363. अगर आप फॉरवर्ड यानी आगे से रीड करते हो, इफ यू विल बी रीड फ्रॉम फॉरवर्ड देन इट विल बी सेम. सो दैट्स वाई दिस इज अ स्पेशल नंबर. And in second time we can say if we can read from left side, if we can read from left side then also it will be same. If we can read from right side then it will be same. यानी आगे पीछे, आगे से भी रीड करो या पीछे से भी, नंबर सेम होने चाहिए. इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन बेटा?
Yes, teacher.
कौन है? इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन?
Yes.
Okay, now you will do this example and tell me the answer.
Okay.
अगर एक बार नहीं होगा एक ट्राई में देन यू कैन टेक सेकेंड टाइम, देन थर्ड टाइम, देन फोर्थ टाइम, मे बी इट विल टेक 5 टाइम. ओके, बट यू विल बी गेट स्पेशल नंबर एट द एंड. ओके, चलो
Okay.
स्टार्ट डूइंग. इल्हाम, कौनैन, साहिबा, अब तो समझ आ गया ना बेटा?
टीचर हो गया.
दिस वन
टीचर हो.
एग्जाम्पल यू हैड डन.
टीचर 73 वाला हो गया.
यस बेटा,
टीचर
शो मी।
પ્લસ કરવાનું છે
बेटा अभी तो मैंने आपको बोला।
टीचर अभी नहीं हुआ है, दिखाओ ना।
बेटा your question is this 273. This is your question beta, okay?
टीचर मेरा
Yes Panjwani, show me. Beta, is it a special number? आपने addition you had done good beta. It's a correct, but it's a special number. See, it's not a special number beta. Special number कब होगा? जब left side से और right side से number will be same. That time it will be special number. Completed or not beta? Okay, take a time.
आंसर नहीं आ रहा है।
बेटा आपको उसमें मिनिमम 4 से 5 ट्राई करनी होगी। Okay, see here we will try 273, right? Now what we have to do beta? Okay, all of you look at here in your screen beta. It's a very easy beta. Okay, what we have to do here?
Change the position.
273.
So from where side? From where side I will change position? From here,
Yes.
right? So I will take 3 here, 7 here and 2. Now add this. What is the answer? 3 plus 2,
5,
5 and 7 plus 7,
4. Sorry, 14.
14.
14.
1 carry here and 4 here, right? Now 1 plus 2, 3 and 3 plus 3,
6.
6. Now this is a special number. No, this is not a special number.
No.
Now again what we have to do? Again we have to change the position. So we will take 5 here, 4 here and 6 here, right? Now again add this number. 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 beta.
11.
11.
1 carry. Okay. 4 plus 4.
8. 8.
8 plus 1.
9.
9.
9.
Okay. And 5, 6 plus 5.
11.
11.
11.
Now, is it a special number?
No.
No, this is not a special number. Again, what we have to do? Again, we have to change the position, right? 1, then 9, 1, 1. Now, 1 plus 1,
2.
2. And 9 plus
2.
1, 9 plus 1,
10.
1 I will carry. Then 9 plus 1,
2.
no. 2
No.
plus 9, 2 plus 9. Here 9 and 11, yes.
11.
And here 1 plus 1, 1, 3, right?
Yes.
Now this is also not a special number. Again we have to change position, right?
Yes.
We
Yes.
will take 2 here, 0 here, 1 and 3. चलो अब आता है कि नहीं देखते हो चलो 2 plus 3
5.
5.
okay. 1 plus 0 1, right?
1.
And then 1 plus 0 it will be 1. Then 3 plus 5, 3 plus 2,
Five.
sorry, 3 plus 2, 5. Now
Five.
is it a special number?
5.
See properly. Is it a special number?
Yes.
So how much try we had done? 1, 2, 3 and 4. After a 4 time we will get a special number. See.
Yes.
Teacher, 5
तो
times.
अगर एक बार या 2 बार में नहीं मिलता तो then it don't have, you have to not say कि teacher answer is not getting. No, you have to try. Here, how many try we had done? 4 try, and we had get answer. Okay.
4 try, yes.
Okay. Now I will give you one number. You have to solve. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. 1 minute. Just. See, this number you have to do.
82
टीचर
teacher.
माइनस के टीचर माइनस
बेटा यहाँ पर हमने माइनस यूज किया ही नहीं है. We didn't use minus. We have
प्लस
done only plus. Yes, beta.
Teacher 82.
Yes, beta. 82.
Okay.
Second is 65. And third is 13. Okay. All of you note down these 3 questions and then you
Yes.
can show me tomorrow, okay? Because now time
Okay.
is up, okay? You can note down these 3 questions, 82, 65 and 13. After the adding and after the changing position, are you getting special number or not? Okay? All of you note down these 3 questions.
Okay, teacher, wait.
Okay?
Okay.
Now you can see here the given. Did you notice that it's read the same from both side, right to left? Now ये आप घर पे read करके देखना. You can read.
Okay.
Is it the same or not? And then tomorrow you have to tell me. Is it the same
टीचर
or
मेरा
not?
82 वाला हो गया.
Okay, beta.
मेरा
So
तीनों
now
हो
the
गया.
time is up. Okay, and this is this
टीचर
one
मेरा
is your homework. Okay, this one is your homework, beta. This
टीचर
Okay, teacher.
okay. You have to just
Okay.
read and tell me. Is it the same or not? Okay, from left side to right side. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So here, whatever I had explained you. Anyone any doubt is there, beta?
नो
No,
टीचर
no,
Okay.
teacher, no
Khuda
doubt.
Hafiz. Have a nice day and
Bye
please
bye.
done the homework. Okay.
बाय बाय मेरा तो हो गया
Okay. Khuda Hafiz, beta. Have a nice day.
बाय टीचर
Yes. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz. Khuda Hafiz.